So hello guys, in this video we are going to see about how Nifty performed today, uh, how Bank Nifty is looking in the short term, and also we are going to see some important news and about 6 stocks that are going to give a good return in the future. So without any further delay, let's get started. So guys, this is the Nifty daily chart, and in last video we were talking about this resistance level of about 18,200 to 220 that was touched 2 times in the previous days, and today it was not touched. Still it looked bullish, but the market was hugely volatile today. But there was a movement of about only 52 points in Nifty, and I'll switch it to 15 minutes time frame, and I'll on the pivot points. If you see it was trading in a range between the pivot point and the R1 range. So tomorrow we have to wait for the global cues, how SGX Nifty is performing, and what are the other global indices are going to do. And in day time frame, there was a resistance at around 18,350 to 365 range. It has been a little bit touched today, but not exactly. And then there was a small follow up about 8 to 10 points. So we have to break this tomorrow. We have to break 18,365 to sustain in the bull run. And let's now check Bank Nifty. Today's Bank Nifty candle was kind of bearish candle. People call it gravestone doji. If you don't know what is a gravestone doji is, it looks like this. So there will be a good bullishness in the first part of the market, and then it will drastically came down, but finish it around in a doji candle. It will be almost equal to where it have opened. So this is kind of a bearish candle, and I'm afraid that Nifty Bank may be coming down. So we have to wait and watch what is going to happen. Let's take a quick analysis on this. I'll just on the pivot points. If you see, it has touched R2 in this month around 12th of January, and then this was the resistance zone we were talking about, that is around 38,215 to 16 range. So on 13th of January it closed around that. On 14th of January also it closed around that. Today also it is closing around that. So this is becoming a good support or resistance range. If this is broken and it is a strong candle above this range, we are going to have a bull run in Nifty Bank, but still this candle is not looking so good, so we have to wait and watch till tomorrow. Bank Nifty opened up, and then it moved up in the upward direction for about 350 355 points, and then it drastically came down in the first 15 minutes itself, and then it took a sideways trend. This support zone of 38,100 is tested 2-3 times today, and it is a good support. So 38,100 and this 38,370 levels are going to be very very crucial for the future. So let's now check FII DII data. FII has been selling for about 865 crores today, and DII has also sold for about 115 crores today. The India volatility index is about 16.77, which is 1.3% higher than the Friday. India VIX increasing is not a good sign, and FII plus DII is also in the selling zone. So we have to wait how they are performing. So the next part of the video is about the important news that are coming today. The first news is Zomato is closing its operation in South Africa entirely, and they are going to concentrate fully on Indian business. So the next news is about Tata Power. They are in plan to set up a 100 megawatt solar project in Uttar Pradesh, and the agreement has been already signed with the UP government. The next news is about Ultratech Cement's results. It came out today, and they have posted a revenue of about 13,055 crores, and they have posted a profit of 17,110 crores, which are better than their previous quarter as well as year-on-year comparison. And the company is in plan to invest for about 965 crores to double their white cement capacity. And the last news is about results for tomorrow. There are many companies announcing their results. Major companies are Bajaj Finance, ICICI Prudential, L&T Technologies, Tata Elxsi, Trident Technologies, Network 18, and Just Dial, Alok Industries, and there are 13 other companies. We have updated the full list in our Telegram group, so please check the link in description. So the next part of the video is about the 6 stocks that are looking bullish in the near future. The first stock is Jindal Saw. This has made a breakout today, and if you see, it is a good bullish candle with rise in volume, and there is a small wick, so I'm expecting a retest here around this range of about 107 to 108 range. If it reaches here, it is good to buy here, but still I'm not a SEBI registered advisor, so please do your own analysis before investing. And next stock is about JK Pepper, and this has also given a breakout today. For this stock also there is a good volume, and this has made a gap up today, and it sustained the gap up. It moved beautifully, and it has closed strongly. Since there is a small wick, I'm expecting a retest. If there is a retest, it is good to buy around 223 to 225 range. And the next talk is about Apollo Tyres. Apollo Tyres has been posted in our Instagram channel 2-3 days back when there is a small breakout during this candle. And if you are not following us on Instagram, please do follow us on Instagram so that you may not miss any stocks. So this has made a good breakout and retest, and then it has moved beautifully for about 5% today alone. There is a huge volume burst also, so we may see a good bull run. So the next stock is Exide Industries. Exide Industries was also giving a breakout today. It has just closed above the trend line, so we have to wait and watch what it is going to do tomorrow. This cannot be considered as a good breakout, but still it has closed above the trend line, so the volume is also good. Still we have to wait and watch what it is doing in the next 2 or 3 days. The next stock is Aditya Birla Fashions. This is not daily breakout. I'll switch it to monthly time frame. So if you see, it has just been lying on the upper trend line. So if this is broken, it has been it is not a proper price action pattern, but still this upper trend line can be broken, but we have to wait till January 31st to know how it is performing. If it is closing above the trend line with a strong candle and with good volumes, better than the previous volumes, we may have a good bull run in the future. So the last stock is Pidilite Industries. Pidilite Industries has formed with the hammer pattern today. It's not where we consider it as a hammer, but still this kind of similar candle has been formed previously in this region. So it was after uptrend, and this candle is also after uptrend. So last time it moved around 14%, and we may again see something like if it is 14% move, it is good. And still please do your own analysis and then start trading here. So that's it for the video, guys. Please make sure you are liking this video and share it with your friends, and please do subscribe the channel. Thank you.